Noswaith, bawb, croeso fy mhodlediad, heno. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my podcast tonight. Defnyddio dŵr yn ddoeth. Apêl gan Dŵr Cymru. Use water wisely. Apêl by Dŵr Cymru. Welsh water. Cyfres, pedwar a phennod, rhif, chant, pedwar, 12. Series 4 and episode number 342. Magl, trap or snare. It's the name of a song by the artist today, Cowboys Roast Botwnog. It's the name of a song by them. It's trap or snare, Magl. So, heddiw dydd Mawrth, today's Tuesday, y pedwarydd ar 10 o Orffennaf 2026, the 14th of July 2026, ac mae hi'n 20 munud wedi 10 yr hwyr, and it is 20 minutes past 10 p.m. So, yeah, let me just get this up. Got another bio for another band, really good band. Mae Cowboys Roast Botwnog yn band o 3 brawd. Cowboys Roast Botwnog are a band of 3 brothers. Iwan, Aled a Dafydd Hughes. Iwan, Aled a Dafydd Hughes. O ardal wledig Roast Botwnog ar Benllyn, sydd wedi dod, from the rural area of Roast Botwnog on Llen Peninsula. Sydd wedi dod yn un o enwau mwyaf eiconig y sy'n cerddoriaeth Gymraeg ers ei ffurfio yn 2006. Who have become one of the most iconic names in Welsh music since their formation in 2006. Gyda'i cymysgedd unigryw o ganu gwlad Americanaidd, with their unique mix of American country music, gwerin draddodiadol, traditional folk, a rock amgen, and alternative rock, maent yn creu sain sy'n teimlo'n frodorol, Gymreig, ond yn llawn dylanwadau o'r byd ehangach. Maent yn creu sain sy'n teimlo'n frodorol, Gymreig, ond yn llawn dylanwadau o'r byd ehangach. They create a sound that feels natively Welsh, but full of influences from the wider world. Gyda'r rhan fwyaf o'i geiriau yn Gymraeg, with most of their words in Welsh. O'i album cyntaf Dawnsio Trychfilod 2007 ymlaen. From their first album, Dawnsio Trychfilod, Dawnsio the Insects, 2007 onwards, maent wedi ennill calon cynulleidfaoedd gyda pherfformiadau byw egniol. They have won the hearts of audiences with their energetic live performances. Harmoniau, hardd a chaneuon sy'n adlewyrchu bywyd cefn gwlad a phrofiadau personol. Beautiful harmonies and songs that reflect rural life and personal experiences. Yn ystod ei gyrfa, maent wedi rhyddhau sawl album nodedig fel Dyddiau Du, Dyddiau Gwyn, 2010. During their career, they released several notable albums such as Dyddiau Du, Dyddiau Gwyn, Black Days, White Days, 2010, a draws dros y mynydd 2012, and Over the Mountain, and Draw Dros. Is it Over? Over the Mountain 2012 sydd wedi cael chwarae ar BBC Radio 2, Radio 3, Radio 6 Music. Which have been played on BBC Radio 2, 3 and 6 Music. Ac wedi cael ei henwebu ar gyfer a Welsh Music Prize. And have been nominated, henwebu is there, with a H on it, for the Welsh Music Prize. Yn 2024, enillon nhw wobr albwm Cymraeg o flwyddyn yn yr Eisteddfod Genedlaethol gyda'i albwm Mynd ar Ti am Dro. In 2024, they won the Welsh Music Album of the Year award at the National Eisteddfod with their album Mynd ar Ti am Tro, going with the house for a walk. Where is the rest of the sentence? I was reading somewhere around here. Sy'n dalu arbrofi gyda'i sain gwlad rock. It's hard jumping between the Welsh and English paragraphs. Sorry about this. Which is ADHD as well. Which is still experimenting with their country rock sound. Right. Oh, let's keep a marker where we are now. Mae'r band wedi teithio'n helaeth yng Nghymru a thu hwnt. The band have toured extensively in Wales and beyond. Gan gynnwys teithiau i'r Ariannin, including trips to Argentina, Vietnam, Yr Alban, and Scotland, ac wedi perfformio mewn gwyliau mawr fel Green Man a Wakestock, and have performed at major festivals such as Green Man and Wakestock. Gweithaf heriau personol fel Salwch Iwan yn ddiweddar, maent wedi parhau I greu cerddoriaeth sy'n dathlu bywyd, cariad a'r tir. Despite personal challenges such as Iwan's recent illness, they have continued to create music that celebrates life, love, and the land. Heddiw, gyda line-up sy'n cynnwys aelodau ychwanegol fel Llŷr Parry, Branwen Williams, ac eraill. Today with a lineup that includes additional members such as Llŷr Parry, Branwen Williams and others, mae Cowboys Rosbotwnog yn parhau I fod yn llais bwyog yn y gerddoriaeth Gymraeg gyfoes. Cowboys Rosbotwnog continue to be a vibrant voice in contemporary Welsh music. Yn cyfuno egni rock gyda dyfnder emotional a dawn am y lawon cofiadwy sy'n siarad am chynulleidfaoedd newydd a hen, combining rock energy with an emotional depth and a talent for memorable tunes that speak to new and old audiences. Cynulleidfaoedd. Cynulleidfaoedd. Break it up. Cynulleidfaoedd. It's hard, that one. Okay, that's the end of the bio. Are you glad it's the end of it, are you? With me getting stuck like that. And yeah, I've read it all, just checking. There's a song of theirs, or quite a few songs of theirs on the webpage, on the web lesson today. One of them I've put the words up for as well, not translated it yet, but that's for this song that the episode's named after, Magl, Trap or Snare. The lyrics are there. That rhymes. All the words are there too that are new to you in the bio today. So we'll carry on with them. Cowboys is cowboys. Botwnog is a village in Gwynedd. Rhos Botwnog is Botwnog Moor. Iwan is a boy's name. Aled is 2. And so is David, which is a form of David. Wledig is country or rural. Soft mutation of Gledig. Llun is the peninsula in Gwynedd. Eiconig is iconic. Americanaidd, American. Traddodiadol, traditional, soft mutation of traddodiadol. Frodorol, indigenous or native. Remember this one. Trychfilod, not sure the pronunciation. Trychfilod, insects, plural of trychfil. Enillon, they won or we won, from ennill. Teithiau, journeys, plural of tithe. Arianin, Argentine or Argentinian or Argentina, usually as Arianin. Vietnam, spelled with an F though, in Welsh, for the V sound, Vietnam. Alban, Scotland, usually as Alban. Heriau, challenges, plural of her. Ychwanegol, extra, additional, added. Llyr, boy's name. Dyfnder, depth, deepness. Profundity or intensity or seriousness. Chynnu lleidfaoedd. Easy that one now, isn't it? No. Chynnu lleidfaoedd, congregations, audiences. Aspirate mutation of cynnu lleidfaoedd, audiences or congregations. Plural of cynnu lleidfa. Moving down to some news. Gwledig, she said. Gorseinion, pencampwr kickboxio sydd wedi gyhuddo o lofruddio yn wynebu achos llys. Gorseinion, kickboxing champion accused of murder, faces trial. Llafur yn galw ar Lywodraeth Plaid Cymru I dynnu ei cyllideb yn ôl. Labour calls on the Plaid Cymru government to withdraw their budget. Pwyllgor yn derbyn argymellion adroddiad diogelu Cyngor Gwynedd. Committee accepts the recommendations of Gwynedd Council's safeguarding report. Achos llys I ddetectif sydd wedi ei gyhuddo o dynnu lluniau I fyny sgert merch yn ei arddegau. A court case for a detective who has been accused of taking pictures of a teenage girl's skirt. Cyhuddo reform o geisio atal defnyddio yr iaith eileg mewn deunyddiau etholiadol. Accusing reform of trying to prevent the use of the Gaelic language in electoral materials. Electoral materials. Today's song I've written is My tension and crony. Tension accumulates. Mae'r pwysau'n cynyddu. The pressure increases. Mae'r tymerydd yn codi. The temperature rises. Dyma fe, dan straen. Here it is, under stress. Afresymol, does dim reswm. Illogical, there's no reason. Dim resymeg, mae'n drwm. No logic, it's heavy. Amser yw herio. Time to challenge it. Trwy eich stereo. Through your stereo. Does dim stopio. There's no stopping. Dyma ni ymlaen. Here we go, onwards. And then the song is here. Listen to it now if you like, or say bye-bye and see you tomorrow. Here it is, bye. Mae tension yn croni, mae pwysau yn cynyddu. Tension yn croni, mae'r pwysau yn cynyddu. Mae tymerau yn codi, dyma fe yn straen. Mae tymerau yn codi, dyma fe dan straen. Resymol, does dim resymeg, mae'n drwm. Resymol, does dim resymeg, mae'n drwm. Amser yw herio, trwy ei stereo. Amser yw herio, trwy ei stereo. Does dim stopio, dyma ni ymlaen. Does dim stopio, dyma ni ymlaen. Resymol, does dim resymeg, mae'n drwm. Resymol, does dim resymeg, mae'n drwm.